Hello everyone, how are you? How's everything? I hope you're having fun and enjoying the holidays with your families. So today I'm going to record a very short video for you. As in the previous video I told you about the ideal diodes, I'm gonna tell you a very interesting application of diodes, which are diode logic gates. All of you in your digital design courses, you already know about the logic gates, you like AND gate, OR gate, and different other gates. But the most basic ones are AND gate and OR gate. As you remember, I just remind you the mechanism of each gate. In AND gate, if both of the inputs are high or 1, your output will be high. If one of them is 0 or both of them are 0, the output will be 0. In OR gate, it's the other way around. If only one of them is high, the output will be high. Only the case that both of them are 0, the output will be 0. So now let's see how we can achieve a logic gate with a couple of diodes and a resistor. Look at this combination here. So consider we have a positive logic system in which values close to 0 correspond to logic 0 or low, and values close to 5 plus 5 correspond to logic 1 or high. So imagine if we put 3 diodes like this in parallel and we connect them to a resistor and we take our output from here, Vy. If any of these diodes, VA, VB, or VC, are 5, if any of them, the output will be 5. And the other 2 could be 0 with no problem. So their corresponding diode will be off and no problem. And your output will be 1. Only if all of them are 0, VA, VB, and VC are 0, then Vy will be also 0. So this can easily create an OR gate for us, right? Because if we have an OR gate with 3 inputs, then either all of those inputs are 0, which makes our output 0, or if any of them is 1, our output will be 1, which is going to be the case here. Now let's see if we can make an AND gate with 3 diodes. Look at this one. This might look a little bit trickier. Again, we are placing 3 diodes in parallel together, and we're connecting the VCC here, the input voltage, to 5 volt. After that, there's going to be a resistor. The output is going to be taken here. This blue Vy is going to be the output. So whenever all of these VA, VB, and VC, whenever all of those VA, VB, and VC are 5 volts, okay, then this Vy will be 5. But if imagine any of them is 0, for example, imagine VA is 0. So let's see what will happen. If VA is 0, then we can Vy technically could be either 5 or 0. If Vy, let's say if Vy is 5, then here we have 5, here we have 0. So it means that this diode needs to work as a short circuit or as a wire. So if it's a wire, then if we have 5 volts here, we need to have 5 volts there. So it's a contradiction. So it's not going to be possible. But if here is 0, then it makes sense. Here is 0 and the diode is off, and here is going to be 0. No problem. So for the case that any of these VA, VB, and VC are 0, the output is going to be 0. Unless all of them are 5 volts. If all are 5 volts, then this can be 5. Then yes, here is 5, here is 5, so it can be conducting Here is 5, here is 5, it can be conducting. 5, 5, it can be conducting. So this one can create an AND gate for us. So these two are just a couple of examples that you can see that the diodes have cool applications in different aspects of electronics. So stay tuned for the next video, in which I'm gonna explain more about the diodes and their applications and how to use them in circuits. Take care, have fun, and see you soon.